Welcome back, guys. Crypto Follow channel. Let's take a look at the updates for INIT USDT trading pair with my customer cassette. So this token on the BitGet listed in April 2025 and initiation accumulation pump model still relevant, still not invalidated. On a Bybit, it invalidated this one because at that time it's not showing us on the BitGet chart here in April 2025. The listing price was 10 cents. And I don't know why, but it's not showing at that time on the BitGet. So I don't know why. So that's why now we use, and I highly recommend you always use for initiation accumulation pump model, the lowest listing price to reduce the risk, So invalidation of this idea will be if the token will dump under 3 cents. Is it possible? Yes, of course. In an eye blink, we can go to zero like any other tokens. So the targets, guys, still in play based on this model, this one. So 30 cents, 30 cents, 73, 39, 30. This is going to be the zone of local fixation if you bought around here. Now we reject, like you can see, at the second zone of this one. This is the second zone of this strategy, this one. And here's a time to exit of this token if we will see some magic and go to these targets. For example, from that low, it could be like 1,005, around 300% gains from the low. So we already sweep the liquidity of Donald Trump dump. And here it was October 10. We dump it, sweep it, bounce it with the volume, go higher. Luckily, of course, we pump maybe on some news, maybe on some rumors. I have no idea, guys, because that news is just a small reason why we pump it. The main reason is just because of market makers deliver the price in the right moment, in the right time when they need it. Because all these time periods, the whales distribute their bags, the venture funds distribute the bags. Now maybe the soft and the bots get a comment like, oh, we need to pump a little bit or push it higher to this area. Anyway, still will be in a downtrend, and maybe this is going to be the end of cycle for this token and it will never hit the new all-time high. Or the comment just like pump, like with the Starknet it's happened. So the pump, everybody in FOMO hop in here and then wrecked everyone. We can't know. We can't know. Just, guys, trade the current market structure and current market situation. So, of course, by seasonality, I hope the spring will be green one. But it's not an answer because it's just my expectation. And everyone have some expectations because by logic, right? We can't move always down. So we, over the year, almost the year, we crash it down. So I think anyway, sooner or later, we should rebound somehow just because the market makers need a USD at the end. So they don't care about sell or buy, they open short or long. So anyway, now I think the first trouble area is going to be 30 cents, 73. It's a full fill of monthly gap. There is no gaps. So this is like a zone of magnet. And I would be not surprised if we'll see something like this one. Form looks like double bottom and should go higher. Maybe. It's hard to say. Maybe by autumn we're going to hear. But now, guys, local, this is a resistance like 13 and 1853. Don't need to build a crazy complicated charts. Sometimes everything's so simple until this model is relevant. If we drop and invalidate the idea, of course, this idea invalidated, and we work with totally another plan. So until we trade inside this block, inside this accumulation zone, so it's range between, I count by body candle here. So 70 cents, 19 and 3 cents in this range, we can trade, for example, the year or two. So to buy now or not, guys, it's always up to you because now we trade under the best zone to buy. Yes, based on this model, this was the best zone to buy. With fixation, 100% profit here. You could withdraw the initial deposit and right to this area. After that, you should close all swing trades and move on. The good moment, guys, today we saw the strong buy signal on the weekly time frame. I added on the crypto total market cap weekly time frame 4 days ago in the last video. I hope this signal will be confirmed, because sometimes the signal can blink, just blink until the candle close. So just at the beginning of the week. So the zones, guys, zone of fixation for this swing trade. Let's take a look now with indicator set. Anyway, this is like a monthly gap and the daily gap, so it's like a magnet. Okay, so sooner or later we'll come back and close that gap. Locally, daily, if you think is it okay to buy or not, usually not, because we can drop, of course we can let a bit go higher like a bear chain. We sweep the high, after that we can go even to 18 and drop it back to this area and start climbing up, so break the structure. So be careful, a better way to pull back if you want to open trade. If you want to buy a spot, you can accumulate it now with targets over than 30 cents. But here, this is a distribution. This is distribution on a daily. Weekly, of course, it's so underrated talk. If we talk about a spot like investment, if you believe in it talking, of course, we're in a crazy accumulation zone. We lay down at the bottom on direction indicator, so it's a good time to buy. Locally, on a daily, on 12 time frame, of course, a better way to pull back. Let's close this one. This one. Market mood. Locally, yes, we came into apheria zone. So after capitulation, disbelief, this is apheria. So be careful on the daily. Weekly, still apheria. That's why is still risky, because we can rebound like StarkNet, for example, and crash it down to invalidate the idea. So locally, guys, I recommend you. Let me show you. Vera USDT. This is how it looks like on a daily. Here, pump. This is the same story. So now we get like pump. And after that, the bear chain dump at 57%. So be ready to see the 57% again. So here, at least 53. So if you're not ready to see that drop, better skip the talking. So sometimes the market makers just pump like exit liquidity. Money power. This was a money in, now money out. On 12 time frame, daily, yes, we still got a chance to push a little bit higher to 1853. Now we almost at the top without money outflow. Last time money outflow was here in September 25. Weekly, also soon we will see the money outflow, but still not yet. We just past the middle line. Here was accumulation by whales. 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row. So take a look at the two most important indicators. Trade on, guys. What we can see? Oh, we can see the signal to buy. To buy here was on the daily accumulation, and here we need. Oh, it's just a blinky. Just blink. Oh, here blinking in real time. So this is what I told you about this one total. So it's blinking. It's not confirmed yet. So yes, we can go a little bit higher. After that, can see the signal to sell. And when the take profit will be confirmed, you need to track it in real time. Just add alert and track. Money power, we can close. Weekly, still no signal to buy. So daily, guys, just all eyes on the take profit and the key signal and the new signals to sell. It's just a blinky. Not confirmed yet. Take profit, the same story like with the bear chain. Just showed you the example, but we can go higher with a week to 1853 and crash it down again to 7 cents, over than 50%. So just be careful. Weekly time frame, still no data. So guys, honestly, I'm better wait. If I could trade this token, I'm better wait this move, confirmation to take profits, signals to sell, and drop, maybe retest I don't know, fulfill of 7 cents, 3, and the test of the 86, not 86, the Donald Trump dump low. So this is it, guys. Better wait. If you Of course, believing in it for long run, you can accumulate step by step, build the average entry. Let's say 11, 6, average entry will be 9. At 18, after that, you withdraw initial deposit, and then with the free tokens, right to the moon. Guys, if you like to trade with my custom site and track the same alerts like I did in this video, and we track it together, trade on indicator signal or any other, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Matega. See you next time, guys.